Hello, this is Chris here. Thank you for taking a few time to read the introduction of our automatic argon gas production line. The first part is input conveyor. It has low E and coating identification technology. If the glass is reversed, it will be alarm, for example, and it will be stop transmitting to prevent the glass entering the cleaning machine. This part is input conveyor. The transmission shaft has slip test. After prolonged use, it will be hurt. So it has there are 4 opportunities to replace it in different places to improve the use efficiency and reduce the cost. If any detailed information is required, please contact us.